Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science contests. In this question, it asks for what value A, and A is this length here, but it could also be this length, UR or TR, those are all the same value of A. Is this shaded region exactly 1/8 of the area of this entire rectangle? Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. Alright, so what I'm going to start by doing is starting at the center here, O, and going straight down to R. So I'm splitting this shaded region up into two triangles. We have this one, OTR, and we have this other one, OUR. And I'm going to find the area of each. So let's start with the triangle OUR. So that's going to have a base of A. So the area of that is going to be 1/2 the base, which is A, times the height. So this height here, since that's the center, is exactly equal to half the height of a rectangle. So if this whole height is 2, this height is just going to be 1. So that means our area is 1/2 A. Okay, well let's try to find the area of this other rectangle. Let's call it OTR. So if you look at it sideways, we can use this here as our base. So it's going to be 1/2 times the base, and the height will be here. So it's 1/2 of 4 in this case, and that is 2. So the area of this triangle is 1/2 times 2, which is 1, times A, which is just A. Alright, so the area then of this whole shaded region in the bottom portion would just be the sum of these two triangles. So we can say that that area is just equal to 1/2 of A plus A. And 1/2 A plus A is simply 3/2 A. Then we can also say that this area here is the exact same as the area below, and therefore the total area, the total shaded area, is just going to be that value, 3/2 A, multiplied by 2. So when we do that, we get an area of 3A. Okay, so the question says, what value of A is the shaded area 1/8 the area of PQRS? So the area of PQRS, that's a rectangle, and it has length 4, width 2, so the area is 4 times 2, which is going to be equal to 8. 1/8 of this area, PQRS, would be equal to 1/8 of its area, which is 8, which would be a value of 1. So 1/8 the area of this rectangle is just 1. So the question would be, for what value A is the shaded area, we know the shaded area is 3A, going to be equal to 1/8 of this area, which is 1. So if we rearrange that, we get A equals to 1/3, or our answer is D.